Welcome to my channel. It's me, H&M Rebuilds, and this will be my project. Me working on this 1988 Audi 100. There are multiple problems, like this doesn't open. Only the inside one works. It's all pretty dirty, needs a good wash. There are panels missing, and all in all, there is a clutch problem, there's a brake problem, there are multiple problems. But at the heart, it's a 2.2 benzene. There's no radio, the rear view mirror is missing. But yeah, I mean, it's ready. It's a bit ready, but it has cool head rests and stuff. The dash is definitely shrunk a bit, as you can see, like there's a gap. Needs a good cleaning. The fuel pump is out, doesn't run right now. So yeah, it has done 327,000 kilometers, and that's why, yeah, pump is no good. Let's check out the back. The back one works. It looks nice inside. Inside, the headliner needs to be redone. It is peeling. Also, it has a sunroof. Simple one, but it has one. These are cool and still with a chrome trim. Yeah. Also, these are original Pioneer speakers inside, both ways. Heated rear window. This car has been sitting for who knows how long, quite long. The major things is bodywork. This needs to be all peeled out, and then sanded, because yeah, it's pretty rough. It's just flaking off. You could just put your finger to it and flake off some paint. What also needs to be done is, as you can see, others have, yeah, like this chrome or other thingy. Well, front one, yeah, it doesn't have any, and the door is just jammed, it doesn't work. This one works. There's a little nick missing here, and yeah, the old fuel pump is on the floor right there. This is what it is, and it needs to be replaced. Body wise, mostly good, but there's a lot of moss, cobwebs, and well, rust, as logically there should be. That's almost minor dings and dents right here. Headlights are fine. It has a little crack right there, but that's alright. The lacquer is peeling. Somebody has tried to patch up the rocker, or the rocker panel, I guess, and just there's tons of Bondo right here. I don't know what they hit, but it's all soft right here. And that's all Bondo, going really far. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, there's also rust, like down here, which isn't structural, but you can see rust there. And well, yeah, it's minor rust things. In the boot, there really aren't many things, but the original hubcaps for the car. This one is pretty beat up, bit newer ones also another newer one, and the old one, really old one. So we got 2 old, 2 new. Yeah, there's the fuel pump place, which needs to be just done, redone. Yeah, it's also dirty, it needs a wash. Also, body wise, there needs to be like redone. The gasket needs to be taken out. Some bonder needs to be used, or replace the whole metal with something. Has 2 antennas, one there, one there. Also, what is cool about this car is the engine. Oh, this latch is pretty stiff, doesn't want to open really, but sometimes it opens. As I was saying, sometimes it opens the bonnet, sometimes it doesn't. You can see that side is better than this side. It is what it is. And yeah, there we go. Dude, struts are still good, but the engine, it's a 2.2 straight 5, which looks nice. It also has the original badges from when it was new. These are still there, the original ones. Yeah, it's a trooper. It needs to be just a little bit sorted out, then we can get it running. And yeah, I will show you in these videos how we get it running. What does it sound like? What does it need? Well, I can say I don't like that it's all torn up. I need new piece like that. That's probably gonna cost me like 50 bucks, 50 euros, I don't know, something like that. Also, there's no coolant in here, none. So yeah, it has at least oil, so that's something. But new air filter, new fuel pump, new fuel filter. I actually have that already. Yeah, the brakes need to be checked out, redone maybe, because it doesn't love to just brake. One wheel only brakes. The clutch needs to be aired out so that it can just do, well, gear changing, I guess. That's the proper way to say that. At least the hood struts are good. That's a plus. And yeah, in the next clip probably I will be showing how I scraped the paint off. So yeah. As you saw on the time lapse, I scraped this whole panel from, well, loose paint. And yeah, next up is, well, sanding. but that will be in the next video. So yeah, thank you for watching. Keep your heads up, keep your moods up, find the project, work on that, and yeah, wait for part 2, I guess. So see ya.